Can you hear me? Today has been such an amazing day.
So these are the Baseus BS1 active noise canceling earbuds, and I must say, what you see in the advertisement is actually pretty accurate. The moment you pop these into your ears, you get this slick startup sound effect, and the background noise drops noticeably. However, not everything about these buds is as great as it seems at first glance. Let's dive in and break it all down. Right from the box, we see the highlights: 40 dB active noise canceling, high-res audio support, acclaimed 40-hour battery life, super bass, and full app control. Inside, you get the quick start guide, the classic Baseus stickers, a short USB-C cable, and this really nice compact case with the buds inside. I ordered this model mainly because of the small, display clean design. I'm always looking for headphones that combine good features with a slim case I can actually fit in my pocket. And I also prefer earbuds without silicone tips that completely block out natural hearing. The buds themselves look and feel great. They sit magnetically in the case and come out easily. The glossy finish gives them that premium AirPods-like vibe. There are no physical buttons on the case. All controls rely on the touch surfaces on the earbuds. On the front of the case, you've got a single LED indicator. Red means the charge is below 20%. Yellow means between 20 and 40%. Green means above 40%. If you need to factory reset them, unpair them from your phone, then tap and hold the touch surfaces on both earbuds for about 8 seconds until you hear the tone. That clears everything, including any custom app settings. As for features, these earphones offer Bluetooth 6 with multipoint pairing, several EQ modes, spatial acoustics, a Find Your Earbuds function, and they're supposed to be IP55 dust and water resistant. So the buds sit comfortably, the sound quality is solid, the app is helpful, and the noise cancellation is actually pretty decent. But now let me tell you what's not so great, both about this product and about Baseus in general. First of all, the microphone quality in noisy environments is nothing like the advertisement.
This is a microphone test for Baseus BS1 adaptive noise cancelling earbuds. There's loud background noise. End of test. Here's another microphone test for the Baseus BS1 adaptive noise cancelling earbuds. This time I'm speaking in a quiet room. As you can hear, this sounds much better.
On a busy street, my voice is barely understandable. And the worst part? The pair I got is basically unusable because the touch controls are completely messed up. They worked for a day, and then everything went haywire. Random pauses, random playbacks, noise canceling turning on and off on its own. I tried resetting them, cleaning them. Nothing helped. I eventually had to disable the touch controls entirely. But for some reason, my phone calls still keep getting disconnected. I don't know if this is a common issue or if I just got unlucky with a faulty unit. Either way, it's not great, especially because I initially liked these, even with the terrible mic performance in noisy environments. Another annoying thing, their website has been broken for over a week and nobody seems to care. Anyway, I do like the comfort, the sound quality, and the stylish design. But honestly, I can't use these. I had a much better impression of the brand before I actually started using their products. If you want truly good budget earbuds, stay tuned for my next videos. Stay in school,